Hello and welcome. My name is Jeremiah, the Bullfrog Hale, and this is Tips and Tricks Tuesday with ProPricer. We'll cover useful tips and tricks in ProPricer that help you leverage your time better and get things priced. With Halloween tomorrow, we have a spooky topic for you today, a tale of tricks and treats about the fable of the missing undo button. So let's shine some light on this topic. Let me start with this little scenario. I'm going to copy my proposal right here. I click on it and select copy. Okay, wait, what? No. All right, where's that undo button? I accidentally deleted my proposal and I need to get it back. I don't see it. Is it in the proposal tab? No, it's not there. I need to undo my mistake because I didn't make a backup and I will have to start from scratch again. I think you feel my pain, or have been there yourself. So my little tale brings back unpleasant memories. I understand. The spooky trick today is that there is no undo button for a deleted proposal. First, let me state the reason for not having an undo button. It is because most systems do not have the sheer computing power and network speed to handle it. So maybe in the future, an undo button is possible. But until then, always be sure to back up your proposals. And that brings us to the treat for this episode. There are a few ways to undo right now in ProPricer. The first one is rolling back to a backup. I can never stress this enough. Backup, whenever possible. Have you ever wondered why proposals have versions? It's so you can make backups of the last working version of your proposal. Just copy your proposal and give it a new version. If something happens to this new version, you can always roll back to your copy. Don't worry about creating too many proposals. The database is virtually unlimited. But this is for now the only way to undo a deletion of a proposal or inaccurate changes in a proposal. Here at ProPricer, we have a term for it. We call it an iteration. So when you're done, you should be able to tell a story about how you got to where you are now, from each step or iteration of the saved versions of your proposals. Now let me show you the closest you can get to undoing anything in ProPricer. It's a small trick, but useful to know. ProPricer saves information row by row. I'll open my proposal here and pick on the first task. I'm going to rename it to something. And now I've realized I've changed my mind and I want the original name back. To undo an entry in progress and get it back, just hit the escape key on your keyboard. There! You have the option to cancel a row by pressing escape. To summarize all of this, today we learned the fable of the undo button. And the moral of this short and scary tale is always make copies of your proposals. ProPricer saves data one row at a time. You still have the option to cancel by hitting the good old escape key before the row is saved. If this was awesome, get subscribed and hit that like button. If you have any questions about ProPricer we can help with, or maybe some tips and tricks of your own, follow the link or post a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And again, my name is Jeremiah Hale. And as always, thanks for watching.